the Amazfit GTS by Xiaomi. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for your notification. Kung napapansin niyo sa mga pictures ko sa social media, I'm using this watch by Xiaomi again. It's Amazfit Bip. Yan, Siya yung lagi yung ginagamit kasi naka-set up to originally to view day, date, and then yung time. So yun lang, pinaka-basic lang ang gusto ko and magaan siya. And mura lang to compared sa ibang smartwatch. This is about 2,000 plus. And ito, naglalast to sa akin ng 30 days. 30 days, one charge lang yon. Subalit, may bagong dumating. Ito yung isang version ng Amazfit na GTS, which is OLED screen na siya. And based sa mga review na nakita ko sa ibang YouTube channels and blogs, oo, maganda siya. Siya yung parang pantapat dun sa kung screen-wise and visual-wise, siya yung isa sa mga magandang pantapat sa Apple smartwatch. This one would cost you about 6,000 plus, I guess. I will put the price here at nabili ko siya sa Shopee. Versus the Apple Watch, more or less nasa 24 yun. So a third of the price lang siya ng Apple Watch. May unboxing ako and I will just insert it here. This is the Amazfit GTS. So, ang kaya niyang i-monitor ay ang weather, status ng steps mo, calories burned, numbers of steps, heart rate. Wait. Check natin kung saan ang puso natin kung tumitibok pa ba. Sure naman akong tumitibok siya, kaso nga lang, hindi ko alam kung para kanino. Ay! So yes, it does take a while, but once it records your monitor, see, medyo mataas ang heartbeat ko ngayon. Naks! So, ano pa bang ibang pwedeng gawin dito? Time, date, and then weather, temperature, heart rate, steps, charging time, and pwede mo siyang gawing flashlight. Pwede mong iset yung brightness niya up, down. I always go for 65 to 70%, which is okay na sa akin yan. Yon. And then ano pa ba? Sa settings niya, status. Usually sa steps to pi, which is yung target mo. Heart rate, workout, outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, indoor cycling, water or open swimming, open water swimming, pool swimming, elliptical trainer, climbing, and dami, freestyle. So nakita nyo yung swimming na part because yes, this is IPS certified for a few meters. And then weather, music, notification. Usually sa music, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang controls. Notification naman, if ever yung phone mo is naka-off or hindi mo siya ginagamit, nakalagay lang sa bag, automatically yung notification mapupunta dito sa watch mo. Pag may call, magva-vibrate siya. Alarm, event reminder, more. Ano tong more? May compass pa pala. Timer, countdown, find mobile. Okay? And then settings. How to change watch face, kung gusto mong palitan yung watch face, screen auto off, press and hold, always on display, and system information, which is about. Ito yun. Yun lang. So, hindi siya maraming option katulad dong sa smartwatch sa Apple na maraming nagagawa. Wala din tong speakers. But all in with its price, I guess, okay siya. Mas gusto ko siya. And yeah, just long press or press and hold, and pwede mong palitan ng another watch face. Ito usually ginagamit ko pag naka semi-formal ako or medyo arty-artyhan yung outfit ko. Pero kadalasan may specific ako na watch face for my daily use, and makikita niyo yun sa social media ko. So pretty much that's it. Yun lang talaga yung function niya. But the screen is so good. It's very very good. I mean super. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong natatawag dito, nagagamay. But yes, I guess this is a good watch to have. Basically, papalitan ko tong strap niya nung ito, leather. Mas gusto ko tong leather. So, ito yung ipapalit ko. Ito pala yung dati ko, yung Beep. Amazfit Beep. Again, pinili ko yung bumili ng ganitong watch kasi compatible siya sa Android and iOS, which I am using both. So, kahit mag-transition ako from iOS to Android and vice versa, pwede ko siyang gamitin anytime. Hindi katulad sa Apple smartwatch, mas dun lang talaga siya sa Apple or sa iPhone. Pretty much that's it. Ito yung sensors niya. Charging time, I don't know. Siguro mga 1 to 2 hours, and it would be good for 14 days pag naka-base or naka-default setup. Pag naka-always on naman, sabi nila about 2 days and 2 to 3 days. Yun lang. Ayun, so diba? Hindi ko alam, pero tingnan mo. Ang ganda niya. Wait, paano ba? Nahirapan ako. Oh, grabe, ang liwanag niya. And ang ganda, sobra. I love it, I like it. May always on display siya, pero di ko masyadong gusto. Comfy siya, magaan. Kailangan ko siyang ganituhin. I-face ko sa sarili ko para mag-on. And this is set up for 7 seconds. And nawawala na rin siya after. Okay? So, ganda. The reason why I bought this instead of, Apple Watch, kasi I'm using 2 phones. Isang iPhone at saka isang Android. Itong Android, Huawei Mate 20 Pro, siya yung daily driver ko. Yung iPhone ko naman is pang backup lang. Now, the reason why I chose this watch, kasi pwede siya pareho sa Android and iOS. So, hindi ako mahirapang magpalit just in case kailangan ko magpalit ng phone. Pwede siya sa pareho, Apple and Android. Battery life-wise, maximum 14 days. Kung gagamitin mo naman yung feature na always on, that will be 2 days. Mas okay nga naman to. Kasi, mas matagal. I believe si Apple smartwatch, it will only take a day or 2, and then you need to charge it. Eto, 1 charge lang, a maximum, kahit nga 7 days lang solve na ako dito. Yeah. And I like their design. Medyo super hawig siya sa Apple, pero mas magaan, mas clear siya. Ito naka middle lang to na set. Yun lang. Next. So thank you guys so much, and you have a nice day.